Hello guys, today's topic is staying fit at home using these 5 fitness apps. The first app is called the Workout Trainer. It helps you to briefly, plan your training based on your specific needs. It also, has these features which helps you to personalize the workout and training plans that might suit your schedules as well. I know, sometimes we're busy and you wake up very early in the morning, you want to, have some workout done to be able to spend the rest of your day active. So it helps you to, have this interface of discussing and also interacting with this app atmosphere. So that's the first app. Then the second app is called Nike Training Club. So the Nike Training Club has its benefits. It has this expert-led training, which means it's been programmed in a way that you have variety of intensity and also with a good duration of your workout sections as well. Then the third app is called FitOn. So the FitOn app has these unique features, which helps to highlight celebrity trainers and also diverse workout classes. So you'll be able to have screenshot of a celebrity trainer which has this interface of your workout on FitOn as well. So the fourth app is called the 7-minute workout. So the 7-minute workout is for a quick and effective workout. It helps you to have this stability and also manage your busy schedules within a short period of time. Then the fifth app is called the Yoga for Beginners. So the yoga app focuses on guiding you with yoga sessions from the comfort of your home, whether in your office, at home, in a park, recreational center. It helps you to give you this benefit of relaxation and also flexibility, which goes a long way in helping you to track your yoga sections. So these are the 5 apps, and I hope you enjoy and stay fit.